Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kiribati, Mr. Anut Tong, and Madam First Lady, Mrs. Mary Tong, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Nauru, Baron Dibavesi Wanga, and the First Lady, Madam Luisa Wanga, Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Federated States of Micronesia, Mr. Alik, Your Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of the Marshall Islands, Mr. Wilbur Haney, the Honorable Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Tonga, Lord Tui Wakano, and First Lady, Madam Robin Tui Wakano, Honorable Ministers, distinguished delegates from the Pacific, Your Excellencies, the Ambassadors and High Commissioners, Your Excellencies, the heads of international and regional organizations, representatives from the civil society organizations and the private sector, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to you all. Nisam Bulavinaka. Salamu alaikum. Namaste. 2 nights ago, I had the distinct pleasure of welcoming you all to the second summit of the Pacific Islands Development Forum. It is now the time for us to part and to bid you farewell. On behalf of the government and the people of Fiji, I wish to express the great honor and pleasure that we have had in hosting your respective delegations over the past few days. Today's closing of the second PIDF summit marks yet another milestone in the evolution and growth of this organization. By all accounts, this has been a successful summit. Although we have yet to celebrate the first anniversary of the PIDF's existence, the outcomes of this second summit shows that we are on a trajectory of a, quote, crest to crest, unquote, movement. The dialogue at this summit has provided us with the opportunity of reaffirming the importance of genuine and enduring partnership. The 2 days of deliberation and the resulting outcomes are a testament to the fact that together we can be a success. As you are all well aware, the Pacific Islands Development Forum was designed for the people of the Pacific region who share this vision of a strong, balanced, inclusive, and sustainable growth. The successful conclusion of this summit lends credence to that vision. It is nevertheless important to remind ourselves that the long-term success of the PIDF depends upon our practice of the timeless values of trust, mutual respect, and dialogue, which is the norm for us in the Pacific. As we look with confidence to the future, we must be united and be ready to support each other. The strength of our voice and the productivity of our efforts depend upon our unity. I would like to thank you all for your faith and commitment in PIDF. Without your engagement and active participation, this summit would not have been a success. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, allow me once again to thank you for honoring us with your presence at this summit. We, the people of Fiji, wish you all a safe journey home and a happy reunion with your families. Thank you. Vinaka Bakalevu. Shukriya Bahut Dainavad.